In this tutorial, we're going to learn how to play the song Heather by Conan Gray, so stay tuned. Hey everyone, this is Matt from You Can Uke, and every week I'm releasing new song tutorials so you can learn how to play the ukulele. So don't forget to like this video, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss a lesson, and consider joining me on Patreon where I have a chord chart available for this tutorial. Alright, let's check out this song together. Now before we can play the song Heather, we first need to make sure that our ukulele is in the standard tuning of G, C, E, A. And if you need help tuning your ukulele, then make sure that you check out my online ukulele tuner video. Next, there's 5 chords that we need to know in order to play this song. And those chords are F major, A minor, D minor, B flat major 7, and B flat minor. Let's check out those chords together. So the first chord for this song is F major. To play that, just take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is F major. The next chord is A minor. To play that, just take your second finger and press down on the fourth string of the second fret. This is A minor. The next chord is D minor. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the fourth string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the third string of the second fret. This is D minor. The next chord is B flat major 7. To play that, take your first finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, take your second finger, press down on the third string of the second fret, then take your third finger and press down on the fourth string of the third fret. This is B flat major 7. And the last chord for this song is B flat minor. To play that, take your second finger, press down on the third string of the first fret, take your third finger, press down on the second string of the first fret, then take your fourth finger and press down on the first string of the first fret. This is B flat minor. Now we're going to learn the strum pattern for this entire song. It's just going to be down, pause, up, down, pause, up, down, up. Let's play through that strum pattern now on the F major chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down, pause, up, 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 down, up. Now we're going to learn the chord progression for this entire song. It's just going to be F major for 12 beats, A minor for 12 beats, D minor for 12 beats, B flat major 7 for 6 beats, and B flat minor for 6 beats. Let's play through that chord progression now by ringing out each chord. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, F major, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, A minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, D minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, B flat major 7, go. 1, 2, 3, B flat minor, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And now let's apply that chord progression with the strumming pattern. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, F major, down strum, go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now that we know the chords, the chord progression, and the strum pattern, let's put it all together with the lyrics and play through Heather. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. As she walks by, what a sight for sore eyes, brighter than the blue sky. She's got you mesmerized while I die. Why would you ever never kissed me. I'm not even half as pretty. You gave her your sweater, it's just polyester, but you like her better. Wish I were Heather. Now, if you want to play through the rest of that song, then check out my ukulele cover for Heather. And that's how you play Heather by Conan Gray. Thank you so much for checking out this tutorial. I hope it brings you success in learning how to play the ukulele. Also, I want to give a special thanks to my friends at Flight Music for sponsoring this video. I'm going to leave a link in the description box below so you can check out one of the products. And finally, I want to invite you to join the You Can You community on the Vibely app. This is a place where you can engage with other ukulele players, join cool challenges, and win free prizes. So download it today. It's completely free. It's available to all Android and Apple devices. Again, don't forget to subscribe, to join me on Patreon, and to check out these next tutorials so you can keep practicing and keep playing, because you can uke.